Hola, clase! Today we're going to be talking about 4.4 verbs with irregular yo. So let's begin. We have seen three types of the irregular yo already, which is decir, digo, in the irregular yo form, tener, tengo, conjugated in irregular yo form, and venir, which is to come, vengo. Now we're going to learn a few more. But first, I'd like to go over the expressions of decir. So decir, we can see decir la verdad is to say the truth. Decir que is to say that. Decir mentiras is to say lies. And decir la respuesta is to say the answer. So I'm going to tell you two lies, dos mentiras, and one truth, and you try to guess which one is a lie. Okay? So, the first one is, tengo un perro. The second one is, tengo 28 años. And the third one is, soy rusa. Which one is la verdad? And which one is mentiras? So you can say, dices mentiras. If you got the third one, you are right. Soy rusa is mentira. No soy rusa. I am not Russian. See? Muy bien. Okay. So, hacer can be used to ask questions about what someone is doing. And when you use the verb hacer in a question, it means what are you doing right now? Most likely in the answer, the person is going to use another verb that is more specific to the activity that they were doing at that time. For example, if someone asked me right now, ¿qué haces? I would say, enseño mis estudiantes. I am teaching my students. I did not necessarily use the verb hacer. I used the verb enseñar, which means to teach. Okay? So, I made a little chart here for you guys with the verb irregular yo form verbs. We are going to learn the verb hacer. Repitan, hacer, which means to do or to make. Poner, which means to put or to place. Salir, which means to leave. Suponer, which means to suppose. And traer, which means to bring. See? So in the irregular yo, hacer is going to be hago. And remember, and don't forget, the H is always silent. And I like to call it the H of the humiliation. Why? Because we don't say hago, we say hago. See? Pongo, of poner in the irregular yo. All of these go to the GO. I like to also call them the go verbs because they all go to the GO. So, hago, pongo, salgo, supongo, traigo. Let's go ahead and conjugate these verbs. So notice that I'm first looking at my verb ending here, right? I noticed and I identify that most of them are ER ending, but we also have salir, which is IR ending. And so my conjugation is going to stay the same, but my yo form is going to change and go to go, which is a GO ending in the yo form. Let's conjugate these together. So yo hago, tú haces, él, ella, usted hace, nosotros hacemos, vosotros, and remember only in Spain, hacéis, ellos, ellas y ustedes hacen. Poner, yo pongo, tú pones, él, ella, usted pone, nosotros ponemos, ellos, ellas y vosotros ponéis, ellos, ellas y ustedes ponen. Yo salgo, tú sales, él, ella, usted sale. Nosotros salimos, vosotros salís, ellos, ellas y ustedes salen. Suponer, yo supongo, tú supones, Él, ella, usted supone. Nosotros suponemos. Vosotros suponéis. Ellos, ellas y ustedes suponen. Traer. Yo traigo. Notice that I have a little I added on there. So, traigo. It is really irregular and there's a little change in there too. So, don't forget. See? So, yo traigo. Tú traes. Él, ella y usted trae. Nosotros traemos. Vosotros traéis. Ellos, ellas y ustedes traen. Okay. So, poner is actually a little special verb because it means to put or to place, but to put something on. So, to turn an appliance, a house appliance, or any sort of appliance on as well. So, let's see an example. Carlos pone la radio. Carlos turns on the radio. See? Salir, also a very special one, and I think you'll be happy to know this one. You can say in Spanish, you'll be dating someone. See? So, salir de is to leave from a place. So, hoy salgo del hospital. Today, I leave from the hospital. Salir para is to go to a place, to a destination. So, mañana salgo para México. Tomorrow, I'm going to Mexico. Salir con, see? That means to be dating someone, to go out with someone. Just like we say in English, to go out with someone, we are going to say salir con. So my example here is Jessica sale con John. So Jessica goes out with John. That means they're dating. See? I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any questions or any concerns, don't forget to reach out to me. See? Hasta luego. Ciao.